In this video, we provide an overview of the process of building a Biosand water filter with an added biochar filter. Please click here to access a detailed manual and equipment list for building the filter. The Biosand biochar water filter is composed of 4 main sections: a settling tank, a Biosand filter, a biochar filter, and a holding tank. This design uses 50-gallon drums for each section. Water flow into and between drums through PVC piping, connectors, and valves. Bicycle tire inner tubes are used to create rubber gaskets. These gaskets are placed on both sides of connectors between PVC piping and 50-gallon drums to maintain a watertight seal. The water source first flows into the settling tank through the piping that is capped with a water control valve. The water control valve automatically closes when the tank is full. The drum used for the settling tank is filled with 3 layers of different sized stones. Large stones are placed in the bottom, followed by medium stones, and finally a layer of gravel at the top. It is important to clean all materials used for the inside of the filter. Stones, sands, and biochar can be washed with water using mesh and a tub. The settling tank helps remove physical contaminants by allowing large sediments to sink to the bottom. Water flows from the settling tank to the Biosand filter through piping near the top of the drums. The Biosand filter is composed of a 50-gallon drum filled with layers of different sized stones and sand. The drum is filled from bottom to top with short layers of medium stones, gravel, and a coarse sand, and a large layer of fine sand. The Biosand filter helps remove biological contaminants. Beneficial microorganisms in the water will start to grow and live in the top layer of the sand, forming what is known as biofilm. The biofilm physically traps incoming biological pathogens as water slowly flows through the sand to the bottom of the drum. Within this barrier, microbial predators and competition for food prevent most biological pathogens from moving past the biofilm. The biofilm does not grow deeper than the top layer of the sand due to the lack of oxygen and nutrients in the layers below. Water exits the Biosand filter at the base of the drum and is then directed up to the top of the biochar filter. The biochar filter is composed of a 50-gallon drum filled with layers of different sized stones and biochar. The drum is filled from bottom to top with short layers of medium stones, gravel, and coarse sand, and a large layer of crushed biochar. The biochar filter helps remove chemical contaminants. High-quality biochar attracts, absorbs, and binds chemical contaminants due to its high porosity and electrical charge. Biochar is crushed into small pieces before it is added to the drum. This increases its surface area and allows it to more effectively bind chemicals. The biochar should be replaced once a year with normal use. Biochar can be wrapped in mesh before it is placed into the drum to allow for easier replacement in the future. Water exits the biochar filter at the base of the drum and is then directed up to the top of the holding tank. The holding tank is an empty 50-gallon drum with a tap at the bottom. Water discharge valves should be incorporated into the bottom side of the settling tank, biosand filter and biochar filter drums. Fully drain the water in each of these drums once per month. After the biosand biochar water filter is constructed, the system should be flushed once a day for 2 weeks before it is used for drinking water. During this period, the biofilm is establishing itself in the biosand filter. Once the biofilm is established, the filter should be used regularly. Over time, the biofilm may grow thick enough to significantly inhibit the flow rate of the water from the filter. If this happens, the top layer of sand in the biosand filter should be stirred, and the water and any sediment above the biosand layer removed.